Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Gan11 M Pro. This packaging's really nice. I like the rainbow stuff. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Wow. What's this? It's just a cube. The fridge. Oh, you push these buttons to open it. Oh my god. Wow, that's so cool. Huh? What's this? Oh, it's a bag. Okay. What's this? Oh, it's like the inside corkscrewing thingies. I don't know. Okay. Okay, this is the manual. It's in Chinese. In English. Okay. Whoa, this is huge. This is like the solving manual. Wow. It's also in Chinese, basically. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Mini screwdriver. I have lots of tiny ones, but this is way tinier. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Cube. Oh, it's very light. Does it have magnets? It has mini magnets over here. They don't feel too strong. Not bad. And this doesn't even have lubrication on it yet, so yeah. Not bad. Okay. Time to read through these manuals. Okay, thanks for choosing the Gan cubes. Gan cubes has earned its name in speed cubing, not only because its beastly performance, state-of-the-art quality, but also its customizability. Okay? We believe that every cuber, fast or not, deserves a cube that fully adapts to his or her turning style, not the other way around, meaning the cube will adapt to the cube. So we keep enhancing the customizability of our cubes. In this newest Gan11 series, center travel, tension, magnet strength, everything that determines a cube's hand feel is now fully adjustable. Really? Okay. In a convenient and precise fashion. Let the Gan cube unleash your speed. Wow. Okay. Well, that's probably it for today. Thank you. See you. Bye.